Hello and welcome to Octosec. I'm Sagi, and today we're going to talk about Wazuh, Sentinel, and Elastic. In this video, I'll compare the Wazuh and Elastic and Sentinel, the three most popular SIEMs in the 2025, and explain which one you should learn. My advice, all of them. So let's start. Wazuh is free. It's easy to learn and combine EDR and SIEM and perfect for beginner and for home labs. So if you want to build your own lab, try to mess with it and try to get logs and start the connectors and everything. And you want a really easy SIEM to learn to get the ground up and start running. And so Wazuh is a better choice, is good choice for you. And if you watch my course, I'll do there. I explained both Wazuh and both Elastic, and I'm doing on my own lab, and I'm connecting DC and domain controller and Windows server, and we'll be connecting both a Linux server to the Wazuh, and maybe we'll do some kind of free firewall, and we do a lot of cool stuff. So yeah, stick around. The course is not finished yet, but it will be finished, I hope, soon, and you'll get a good learning experience from it, I hope. And so Elastic is very powerful, great visualization, used in large environment, but it requires deeper knowledge and like under the wood, a lot of stuff going there under the wood, and you need to build YAMLs and stuff. And it's good for someone who really want to get under the wood on the Linux and start really understanding how you install Linux and all the prerequisites that you need, and how to configure files, and how get really under the wood in a complicated machine, and also wreck it, destroy it, and try to fix it, and you will get a very good understanding. And it's with some help. So when something happens in your organization, you'll be the one that know how to fix it. So because you wreck it yourself. Microsoft Sentinel, it's a cloud-based, it's easy for a big organization, it's simple to onboard, and it ties to Wazuh, and you need to pay. So if you're a beginner, do Wazuh. If you want to get more professional, do Elastic. And if you work in a big organization, go Sentinel. Sentinel, you really need to learn inside the organization and not outside of it. And write me in the comments which thing you want me to cover next, and maybe we'll do on ArcSight and maybe QRadar. And so yeah, let me know. So if you like my content and you want to see more of that, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.